What's up? What's up? It's your boy Saucy Rossi, and in this video, we're going to talk about how to split a chicken using kitchen scissors, kitchen shears, whatever you'd like to refer to them as. It's really straightforward, but it's one of those things that not everyone knows exactly how to do it. So I thought I'd just make a simple video showing you my process, going through it step by step, just to break down this chicken. So make sure you like and subscribe. Hell yeah, if you love barbecue like I do, let's do this. Starting off, I patted this chicken dry with some paper towel. It's nothing crazy. Just get yourself some paper towel and just do your best to dry it off. You're not going to get it completely dry, but try and get as much, liquid and moisture off the skin as you can. Next, we're looking for the spine. So obviously, like all basic animals, kind of goes from like their tail up to the head. That's where we're looking for. It runs directly along the center of the back. And like I said just a moment ago, we're going to use some shears to slice through this and get that removed. So let's just figure that out. And let's take a moment here and point out where the spine is. So starting from the tail all the way up to the head, there it is. Both my fingers ran on either side, and that's where we're going to be placing our cuts. And with the chicken, you should be able to find the neck like that. It might be butchered out, but if you do, you just want to run alongside that. So I always suggest either pull on the neck or tail, whichever end you're starting from, and we're just going to run right along that spine. There's nothing complicated here. Be careful of your fingers and make sure you get all the way through that skin. It's very important. Next, repeat the process on the other side of that spine. And it's just something, again, patience is important here. Be careful, watch your fingers, and just slice all the way up through. Now, if you're one of those people that doesn't like to waste things, then this spine is going to be perfect for you to just freeze. Throw it in a Ziploc bag, vacuum seal it, whatever you got. You can make stock with that, and that's just a ton of flavor in there. Now next, we're going to go back to the chicken, and right up between the two breastbones, right in here, we want to give a quick slice with those scissors. So I'm going to go in, just give it a quick cut, and that's going to let me kind of pull it and separate it. That's going to give me access to this cartilage and this bone in here as well. I'm going to follow the guide between the breastbones down from the bottom around the cartilage just to cut this out. So let's begin with that. From the bottom between the legs, like I mentioned, along the side of the cartilage right there, and then up through the center. It's going to be super straightforward. You should just kind of glide right through. There shouldn't be anything in your way. And just make sure you cut through all the meat. I didn't get all the way through there. It was kind of silly, but what can you do, right? Now, next, you might be thinking we're done here because these are looking pretty ready, but they're not 100% ready. We can clean them up a little bit more. So that's what we're going to go for. Starting off, there's that bone right there in the center. You can stick your finger underneath and just pry it out. And then there's the cartilage that I mentioned earlier. Once you have that bone out, you can just tuck your finger behind that and give it a good tug just like this. And that will pull it out along with a little tendon. And that's perfect. Now, at the very bottom of your chicken, we might have some extra skin. That's perfectly fine to just trim off. That skin will probably drip a lot of grease. So by getting it off, hey, that's a good thing. If you see any little tendons there, feel free to slice those away as well. Now, the same thing on the other side. We want to make sure we get these large pieces of skin, all that fat, right off of there. They probably won't have enough time to really render down and do what we want because we're not going that low and slow. So I recommend trimming it off. Next, grab yourself a piece of paper towel and we're going to just kind of wash and wipe out any of the gunk that you're seeing in there. I don't know too much about this gunk, but it's just something I like to wipe out. It's not the end of the world. Normally it just cooks. You probably can eat it. It's probably, just part of the inside of the chicken, which is, probably good for you, honestly. Anyway, check this out. Half chicken, boom, prepped. Another half chicken, boom, prepped. How simple was that? Man, let me know if you tried this. Hopefully this helped. Pretty simple, pretty easy. And if you enjoyed this video, just know I have tons of recipes out there for barbecue, chicken, ribs, beef, all that, seafood as well. So make sure you like and subscribe, jump over to my channel, check out some vids. You're going to love it, bud. Take care.